Livingston, and I'm the production department manager here at Blackdog.
My name is Tim Williams, and I am the senior project manager here at Blackdog Builders.
My name is Jim Bishard. I'm a project manager at Blackdog Builders.
Michael DeMaris, project manager.
My name is Jason Doran, and I am a project manager here in Nashua, New Hampshire.
So my role is primarily in the background. A lot of what I do is interview and hire carpenters, project managers, train, mentor. One of the other things that I'm very proud of is I'm part of a group of production managers from some of the really good companies around the country, and we learn from each other and we try and create the best experience we can for our clients. So it's great to be part of that group.
As senior project manager, I work with my team to make sure that every job runs as smoothly as possible, and so that we can provide the client the expectation they've come to expect here at Blackdog. As your project manager, you may not see me every day, but I am inherently behind the scenes, making sure that what is necessary to facilitate your job is in the queue. Whether it's dealing with municipalities, whether it's doing some engineering to troubleshoot a changeover or an unforeseen, or making sure the subcontractors and our lead carpenters have what's necessary to facilitate your project in a timely fashion.
My job, I believe, is to get a lot of information to the right people at the right times. Kind of the behind the scenes guy, trying to make sure that the project keeps moving.
I would say the value that I bring to Blackdog is many years of experience in construction and remodel. I also bring a lot of value into the project, looking at every job like as if it's my own home. With that said, I know I'm not always on the job sites, and I'm not a regular site there. Even though I'm not there every day, I am always working on your jobs to make sure everything runs smoothly as possible.
As a PM, I provide that behind-the-scenes experience for the client, setting the right expectations with our lead carpenters, with our subcontractors, and everybody that's going to be working on the client's home. So you may not see me all the time, but I'm here.
I really love making clients happy. And you know, I'd say that goes for all of the people we have in production. That's what we live for, is making our clients happy. And so when they're happy, we're happy. We feel like we did a good job.
I come to work every day because I like the challenge. Working with a team, working with clients. We specialize in custom remodels, which usually take a little bit more ingenuity, and we use my engineering background to help facilitate these projects.
I love seeing the client's expression every day, you know, each step of the way, that how happy they are, seeing their dreams come true, you know, and that we're there to help make it happen.
What brings me to work every day is the challenge of fixing problems in the ever-changing condition of remodel. No two jobs are ever the same, therefore no problems are ever the same as well. And at the end, I strive to have the happiest clients that I can have, and that's what brings me to work every day.
I mean, I love it here. I mean, this company was very appealing to me for a lot of years. I've worked with a few people in the past from Blackdog. The work is great. You know, the clients are amazing, and I'm convinced that we probably have the best field staff in the industry.
Culture is one it's fun, it's supportive, and I would say it's professional but friendly. You know, we're all people. We treat each other like humans. We have families and lives, and but you know, we're here to do a job and do it well.
Blackdog is a great company to work for. We may be a larger company, but the feeling is that of a small family business. I've been here 20 years. I've known everybody who's worked here. I know their kids, I know their family. I like the family attitude that is here, and I'm allowed to have some personal freedoms that allow me to spend time with my family as well.
I love the atmosphere. I love that we have, you know, a lot of friends here. I think it's a great place to work.
I would describe Blackdog's culture as a very family-oriented company, and a very honest and upfront company that you can be always sure to get the job done correctly.
Well, Blackdog's culture is one of the things that brought me here. Between their core beliefs, standing behind the integrity and the quality of the client experience, that was really something that